got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take
on my way to therapy, y'all? I guess when I get back to work, I'll let y'all know why I've been coming to these therapy sessions. But yeah, they've been helping. So I'll let y'all know in a minute. I'll pick y'all back up when I get up out of here. Okay, y'all, I just left therapy. It was a good session. And yeah, I think I got some errands to run today. I have to do a few Amazon returns, and I think I want to, oh shoot, I just spilled all of this cranberry juice. And yeah, I got to do a few Amazon returns, and these white people be staring at you like you a specimen they never seen before. Jesus. I know I'm all that in a bag of chips, but yeah. So, yeah, I don't know. So far I just got those things on my to-do list today. And I'm gonna pick y'all back up because I really don't have nothing else to do. Plus, I have a 40-minute drive back home, and honey, the way this lunch hour traffic is set up, I need to hit this parkway. So, like I said, I'm gonna pick y'all back up in a minute. Later, my creators.
Baby, I just wanna talk to you. Talk to you. Know this shit. Know this shit. Know what it is. I really wanna go. But I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go. But I really need to know. Can we get it together?
Push P. Yeah, push P. Turn me up. Turn me up, P. Pointers in the paddock, get my piece. Push a P.
Cop new hammers for my piece. We don't want no peace.
Got a spot at puff spot. Jeff for peas.
Drop the data, now we plot inside the peas. She not a lesbian, P. She turned lesbian. Push P.
Push a P. On capital P, I write the president, count presidents.
Push P. Portuguese on her knees, mopping down a P.
She let me squeeze and she leave, cause she keep a P.
Private suite, privacy, jump pushing P.
Purple paint, pink, push a P.
Push P.
Push a P.
Push P.
Push a P.
Yeah. Push P.
Push a P.
Push P.
Push a P.
Yeah.
Papa P, I'm paranoid. I can't sleep, my pockets deep. Got rest on me, why they watching me? I'm
pushing P.
Push a P.
Push a P.
Push a P.
Yeah.
Touch it, bunch of P. Okay, bought a P, not a pill of Porsche.
Push P.
3 P's, popcorn, Porsche.
Push a P.
I just cup of water. Push a P, red bandana cartons. Push a P. I'ma pee you out your endorsement. She ain't vanilla for me, she simply porcelain. I never saw ops, now we finally tussling. She ready to get in the streets for me, no questions. Too rich to text, I let my shoulder forward it. Take the P at the alphabets, try to sort it. I'm pushing P,
Push a P.
I'm pushing P.
Y'all, I had came to the UPS store. And it's so many corns outside. Like, oh my god. So yeah, I don't know if y'all seen earlier, but I had went and got me something to eat. The pizza was mediocre, and that drink was super nasty. That was the nastiest espresso martini I ever had in my entire life. Like, it was straight up coffee, like black coffee at that, and I don't drink black coffee. Maybe if you are a black coffee drinker, you will like it, but I was expecting a little Baileys, a little chocolate syrup, like, you know, espresso with some Kahlua. It was just coffee and vodka. Like, girl, do you have to go back to bartending school? Because I myself am a bartender and I know how to make it, and it was made incorrectly and it was nasty. But I didn't complain. I drank it, whatever. I did get a little buzz, whatever. I guess it served its purpose. But the pizza was nasty. It wasn't nasty, but it was just, will I go there again? No, probably not. And the reason why I stopped there was because, is he coming behind me? Why are they coming so fast? Like, these people be driving so crazy. I swear to God, I thought he was about to hit the back of my car. But anyway, the reason why I stopped there was because I was coming from therapy, and I'm driving. I see, like, it say pizza and bar. I was like, oh, let me stop here. Never again. So I'm about to go do this laundry, stop by my mother's house, and I think I want to stop by the vape store too, the smoke shop. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that, and I'll pick y'all back up. And it gets dark so quick. I hate it. But yeah, I know y'all hate looking at my raggedy ass wig, but yeah, I'm gonna pick y'all back up in a minute. Off to the laundromat we go, and I keep licking my lips because my lips are so dry. I've been drinking water, and I got some Carmex because I was looking at my other vlogs. Every 2 seconds I'm like this. Disgusting. So I'm about to butter up my lips with some Carmex, drink me some water. I don't know, I feel like I am dehydrated, but this cold weather ain't good for my melanin. Like, everywhere is ashy and alligator skin on me. Like, I really have to exfoliate like every other day now. Moisturize. I need a body butter and a body oil and a lotion and a Vaseline. Like, girl. But anyway, I'm gonna pick y'all back up because I gotta go. I'm stalling. Later, my creators.
Shawty make that ass clap, she don't need no clothes. High fashion, like go yard, D-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go.
Y'all, I came to the laundromat like I told y'all I was. I actually, when I left the UPS store, I went home because I was being lazy. But I was like, you know what? Let me do it now because it's Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. It's going to be way packed in here. Then the weekend. I was like, let me just do it and get it out the way. So I'm about to dry my clothes. That'll take about 45 minutes. In and out, baby. In and out. So yeah, and I think that's going to be it. I don't know if I want to end this vlog after that or if I want to continue another day. I'll let y'all know. Because I don't know. So, yeah, I'll let y'all. Later, my creators. Y'all, this daggone truck. Y'all should have seen the commotion this shit caused earlier, boy. I tell you, it was so much traffic. Ciao.